In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in monday.com and collect responses efficiently. To get started, open monday.com and create a new board that will hold all of your survey responses. Think of this board as the central place where every answer will be stored and organized. Give it a clear, practical name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple surveys for different purposes. Keeping your workspace organized from the beginning makes reviewing and managing submissions much easier. Once the board is ready, the next step is to add columns for each survey question. Each column should represent a specific question you want people to answer. This setup is important because every response that comes in will be placed into the matching column on your board. As you create these columns, try to name them clearly and keep the wording consistent with the questions you want respondents to see. A clean structure here will save time later when you start analyzing the results. After your columns are in place, click Add View. This is where you turn your board into something people can actually fill out as a survey. From the available view options, choose Form. Monday.com will automatically generate a form based on the columns you just created, which is a very convenient way to transform your board into a shareable survey without needing to build it from scratch. Now it's time to customize the form so it feels like a proper survey. Review the generated fields carefully and make sure they appear in a logical order. You can adjust the presentation to make the form easier to understand and more user-friendly. The goal here is to create a smooth experience for the person filling it out, so take a moment to check that the questions are clear and that the form looks clean and professional. When the survey is ready, share the form link. This link is what you'll send to your audience so they can access and complete the survey. Before distributing it widely, it's a good idea to test the form yourself to confirm everything works as expected and that responses are being submitted correctly. Finally, review the submitted answers inside the board. As people complete the survey, their responses will automatically appear as new entries, allowing you to track everything in one place. This makes it easy to scan answers, compare results, and keep your survey data organized. And that's how you create, share, and manage a survey in monday.com from start to finish.